Okay, assalamu alaikum, my dear brothers and sisters. We are still within the concept of actually logarithm for your information, guys. And of course, we'll continue from there, God willing, guys. Okay. And remember, in our previous class, we have seen the basic concept of the logarithm of form 3. Now we are going to see KCSE questions and how they are framed. Okay. Let's come back. Okay. Let's be back in action. Let's see the first question here. I'll start with this one for your information. This will be our example 1, okay? This will be our example 1. 2 plus log base 3 into 2x minus 7 is equal to log base 3 into 5x plus 2. Okay? Make sure you go with me slowly. Take your time. We have 2 plus 2, which is whole number. 2 plus log base 3 in bracket 2x minus 7 is equal to log base 3 into 5x plus 2. Remember here, this is a whole number, okay? Come to the solution. This is what we have in 2 plus log base 3 into 2x minus 7 is equal to log base 3 into 5x plus 2, okay? 5x plus 2. Now, this is a whole number. It has to agree with this log base 3, okay? We'll write this one in log base 3. We can say log, introduce log base 3 power 2 now. Log base 3 power 2. This will be our power, okay? Plus log base 3 into 2x minus 7 is equal to log base 3 into 5x plus 2. Please understand that. We have written this one in the form of log base 3, just understand, yeah? So you ask yourself, what's 3 power 2? That's 9. So it will be, this can be written as log base 3, 9. Do you know why I'm saying 9? Remember the reason I'm saying 9 is 3 power 2 is what? 3 power 2 is 9. Yes. Because you only place the 2 we had here on top of the 3. So you have to tell us what 3 power 2 is. So that is 3 power 9. Plus, okay, log base 3 into 2x minus 7, close the bracket, is equal to log base 3 into 5x plus 2. So this can be written as, take this one and make it the coefficient. You're going to say 9 log base 3 plus log base 3 into, check your time, 2x minus 7 is equal to log base 3 into 5x plus 2. So here we have addition, that means multiplication. Addition means what? Multiplication. Look here, we have plus here. So we're going to say log base 3 outside, 9 into 2x minus 7, close the bracket. Okay? So what are we going to say now? It's equal to what? Log base 3 into 5x plus 2. Now, forget these two, yeah? You cannot cancel, forget them. Okay? You delete them like that. So 9 times 2 is what? 18x. Minus this time is this what? 63 is equal to 5x plus 2. Because we have deleted these two, remember. Log base 3 we have deleted. So you cannot cancel. The log does not like that. So it will be, take this one to this side and take this one to that side. So it will be 18x minus 5x is equal to 2 plus, because this minus on the other side it will be positive, okay? So you'll have 13x is equal to 65 over 13 cancel. So x is equal to 5, and that is the final answer. X is what? X is 5. That is the final answer, guys. Understand? So if you have a whole number, it has to agree with this law. Log base 3, just understand. So you're going to introduce log base 3, and then that number will be your power. Just understand that, okay? And that will be the final answer for your information, guys. Okay, let's see this one as our example 2. Take your time. This is example 2. You're told solve for x in the equation. Solve for x in the equation. This is the equation, okay? You have log base 2 power x in bracket squared plus log base 2 by x power 3 is equal to what? 10, okay? Is equal to 10. So do you know what you're going to do? The moment you have bracket, inside the bracket, remember we have log base 2 power x. Okay? So but this has got 2 power x, you can only write this one again, log base 2, it's very wrong. Such question will go into quadratic. So we are going to say this can be written as what? This can be written as log base 2 by x in the bracket, or let me say the solution part here. Just understand. This is the question, sorry. Let me come to the solution part, okay? Look here. I'll say solution. So we have log base 2 by x in the bracket squared plus, take this one to this side, 3 log base 2 by x is equal to 10. Then you're going to say let log base 2 by x, which is common here, b, okay, y. Can we take y? Yeah, let's take y. Okay, you can even take m, there's no problem. So here we'll have m in bracket squared plus 3, y in bracket squared, because you have said y. Let log base 2 power x be y, okay? So the place of log base 2 power x, you're going to replace with that, with the letter y. So here we'll have y inside the bracket, then square it will be y squared, okay? Plus 3 times what? 3 times y, because log base 2 power x is y. So this will be 3y is equal to what? 10. So this can be written as what? Y squared plus 3y, look here, minus 10 is equal to 0. Quadratic equation, just answer, take this side and equate to 0. So let's use product and sum, yeah? Let's use what? Product. Product is what? Negative 10. And our sum is what? Our sum is 3. I think you have learned that one. This is the sum. So now those two numbers are what? Are 5 and negative 2, yeah? So you're going to say, look here, be very keen here. You're going to say y squared plus, not plus, sorry, minus 2y. Okay, minus 2y. Because we are going to take positive y and negative 2, just understand that. Okay? Plus 5y plus 5y minus 10 is equal to 0. Okay? So what are we going to do? Take this thing here. Come to this point. So between these two, we have the common as what? Y outside. So it will be y minus 2. Then here we have, what's the common here? 5. 5 outside. Y minus 2 is equal to what? 0, okay? Then you're going to say y minus 2, take one of these two here, into y plus 5 is equal to what? 0. So y minus 2 is equal to 0. So y is equal to 2. Or y plus 5 is equal to 0. Y is equal to negative 5. But, inform them, but, come back to this point. We know that log base 2 power x is equal to y. So I'll say log base 2 power x is equal to 2. Okay? What are we going to do then? Forget this one. So it will be 2 power 2 is equal to x. Remove this one, eliminate this one, then interchange these two for the position. So x will be 4. Just understand, yeah? X will be 4 when the value of y is what? It's 2. Come to this point again. Okay? Let's come to this point, guys. Let's come to this point, okay? You can also say, look here. Also, you can say log base 2 by x is equal to y. This time y will be what? Negative 5. So we are going to say log base 2 power x is equal to negative 5. So interchange them. So it will be x is equal to 2 power negative 5. Or x is equal to 1 over 2 power 5. Because the moment you say 1 all over or 1 divided by 2 power 5, the negative sign of the power disappears. So this can be written as 1 out of that 2 to the power of 5 for information, guys. Okay. So that's another way of solving such kind of question during KCSE, guys. Just understand that, yeah. It's very easy, my dear. Okay. It is very, very, very easy. Okay. Then I think now we can test KCSE questions for your information, guys. Let's now see KCSE questions from the book called Made Familiar for your information, guys. Let's see this one. So this will be our example 3. Just understand that. This will be our example 3. Okay? Remember, we are going to follow the steps in a chronological manner. Just understand it. Take your time. So I'll do for you this one for your information, guys. Okay, let me do this one. Here I was told, look here, I was told without using mathematical tables. Look at this one. This is example. This is example what? Example 3. Okay? You are told without using mathematical table, comma, without using mathematical tables or a calculator, comma, solve the equation. Let's get the equation now. This is what? 2 log base 10 power x. Look at this one, eh? Look at this one. Okay? Minus 3 log base 10 power 2. Okay? Power 2 plus log base 10 power that 2. This is that 2, yeah? Is equal to 2. Okay, this is what we're going to solve, guys. Okay, now let's see this thing here for your information, guys. Okay, so when you come to the solution, remember this is our equation, yeah? This is our equation. Minus 3 log base 10 power 2 plus log base 10 power that 2 is equal to what? 2. Then I'll say like this. Okay, I'll take this one to this side. So it will be log base 10 power x squared. Okay, power x squared. Let me come down here. Log base 10 power x squared. You take this one and make it at the power minus this one. Log base 10 power 2 power 3. Okay, this one also the base. The power. Plus, take this one to this side. It will be that 2 log base 10 is equal to log base 10 power 2. We will also write this one in log base 10, okay? Remember, this can be written as what? This can be written as log base 10 power x squared by x what? X squared minus log base 10 power 2 power 3 is what? 8 plus that 2 log base 10 is equal to what? Come to this one. Log base 10 to the power of 2 is what? It's 100. Okay, this will be what? Okay, this will be again x squared log what? Log base 10 minus 8 log base 10 plus 32 log base 10 is equal to 100 log base 10. Okay, take this to this side. So here on this side we have minus and plus. So the one with the minus will go down. It will be like this. Look here. Log base 10 x squared dot means what? Dot means multiplication. Dot 32 divided by what? 8 minus means division is equal to log base 10 into 100. So forget these two. So it will be, remember this is multiplication here, don't get confused. So by 8 so what is 4. So we can have 4x squared is equal to 100. Okay, then divide here 4, divide here also 4, cancel. So this is 25. So we have x squared is equal to 25. Then to get the value of x into root, into root. Then x therefore will be plus or minus the root of what? 25, okay? So x therefore is equal to plus or minus 5. So it can be negative or it can be what? It can be positive. Just understand that. So that was a KCSE question. The year 2012 for your information, guys, okay? Let me do for you another one. Then you go and do your questions, okay? Let me try to do for you this one for your information, guys. Okay. Let me do for you this one. We just got a hidden knowledge. I'll do this one. Okay. Let me do for you this one for your information, guys. Okay. Let me do for you this thing. You are told, look at this question. Solve for x. Solve for x. You are told this will be our example what? Our example 4. You are told solve for x in log open the bracket 7x minus 3 plus 2, or let me write here, sorry, instead. So it's what? It is log 7x minus 3. Check your time. Plus 2 log 5. 2 log 5 is equal to 2 plus log open the bracket x plus 3. X plus 3. Okay? X plus 3. Just understand this one. Okay? So what are we going to remember here? This hidden knowledge for your information, guys. Here, this thing, this hidden knowledge here. Unless or otherwise you understand that, you cannot solve such a question. So all these are log base 10 but hidden. So we have to write. We are going to say like this: log base 10 into 7x minus 3 plus 2 log base 10 power 5. Okay? Is equal to log base 10 power 2, which is this one, plus log base 10 power x plus 3. You have to introduce because it will help you. Look here, it will help you when you're doing this. When you're raising this on log base 10, yeah? When you say log base 10 power 2, it will help you, of course. So it will be, look here, log, okay, base 10, don't forget that, 7x minus 3 plus log base 10 5 power 2 is equal to 2 log base 10, because we take this to this side. Sorry. Here, do you know what you're going to say? Log base 10, 10 to the power of 2 is what? It's 100, don't forget that. Plus log base 10 into x plus 3. Understand me here? 10 to the power of 2 is what? It's 100. So here, it will be what? Log base 10 into 7x minus 3 plus 25, which is 5 squared. Log base 10 is equal to 100 log base 10, because like this on this side, plus log base 10 into x plus 3. So here we have what? Plus, yeah? So that is log base 10 into the multiplication of these two, yeah? Look here, 25, look here, 25 into 7x minus 3. Just understand that. 25 into these two, yeah? Just understand 7x minus 3 inside here. Take your time. This will be, the common is log base 10, take it. So you're going to say 25 into 7x minus 3 is equal to, again, log base 10. This will be what? Plus also 100 into x plus 3, because we have plus there. So you're going to say x plus 3. Remember, you take the common then. So here, forget this 2. So it will be, this time is this one. 175x minus 75 is equal to 100x plus 300. Okay? So take this one to this side and transfer this one. 175x minus 100x is equal to 300 plus 75. So 75x is equal to 375, okay? 375. To get x divided by 75, 75 also cancel. So x will be what? 5. That will be the final answer, guys, okay? Just understand. Up to this level is your answer. Just understand that, okay? Can you write this thing? This is the question, okay? Just understand that, please. Let me go through here. Just understand me. These guys are cheating you by the way. Because if we don't introduce this term which is hidden, actually you will not get the answer. You can continue beating the bush. I'm sure you will not get the answer. Why? Because this term must have helped us, of course, in the calculation. Just understand that. So we are saying, when this is the question, remember, there's base 10 that's missing. So we have to introduce. So you're going to say log base 10 into this one is equal to, plus 2 log base 10 power 5. Look at that. Is equal to log base 10 then power 2. We'll write this one in log base 10, just understand. Plus log base 10 into this one. Then from there you're going to say log base 10 into this one plus this one, take this one to this side. Log base 10 power 5 power 2 is equal to log base 10 power 100. Where am I getting this 100? 10 to the power of 2. Just understand that. Plus log base 10 into that one, which is x plus 3. Yeah? So here we'll have log base 10 into this one. This one now 5 squared. This is 5 squared, remember. 5 squared, which is 25. So take this one and make the coefficient. 25 log base 10 is equal to 100. Take this one this side. 100 log base 10 plus this one. Then between these two we have a plus. So you multiply. Take log base 10, which is the common. 25 into this one. So you got here log base 10 outside. Take it. Then 100 times these two. So you delete these two. Don't cancel them because it's not allowed. So 25 times 7x is what? 175x minus this times this one. 75. 25 times 3 is what? 75 is equal to 100 times x, what? 100x plus 300. Then you collect the like terms and get the value for the value of x. Guys, I think this time we are done with the further logarithm. Inshallah, in our next class we're going to see what you normally call sums. Otherwise, I wish you the best. Make sure please you subscribe our YouTube channel. It's an academic channel that helps everyone who's in school. So I wish you the best.